welcome back to my channel, meevasu. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the products that I'm decluttering, or I should say that I would not be using anymore because each one of it has a specific reason, and I will show you each product and will let you know if I'm happy or sad because that product is going into the trash bin. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing I'm decluttering is my Lakme Absolute Primer because it is expired. Product is still there, but I have to declutter it because it is expired, and anything that goes directly onto the skin, if it is expired, it is not recommended to use. And I have to say if I'm happy or sad, not much, because I'm really loving the MAC stroke cream nowadays, so it's okay. I'm not that sad. It's really a good primer for beginners because you will understand how makeup is staying and how it is looking after using a face primer. Second product that I have to move to the bin is this Glam On Perfect Blush Hot Pink 02. This is one of my favorite blushes for years, and as its cap has broken and the product is getting exposed, I have to move on to other blushes. And I also bought a Sephora blush which is very nice, and also BoxyCharm and Ipsy as well. It's okay even if this is moving out of my vanity box. Next set of items which I am decluttering today are from Colorbar, and I am very sad because I really love these eyeliner shades a lot. I have been using all these colors. If you see, they became so small as well, and all of them are expired now. I have to remove them, but before I declutter them, I really wanted to show you all how pigmented these liners are, and they are really wonderful. This is in shade Blue Topaz, and see how nice it is. As they are expired, I'm not even able to apply it on my hand, but if you see, they are very much pigmented and they look wonderful on your eyes as well. This is in shade Electra 04. Actually, this is a royal blue and this is a navy blue shade. So let me show you all how it still glides very smooth, and see the pigmentation of it. Color is wonderful. You should definitely give a try to these eyeliners if you like colored eyeliners. I really loved all of them, but now I'm able to find the Colorbar brand here, so I'm not sure either if somebody is coming from India, I have to ask them to bring, or I will try other brands. This is in shade Emerald Charm 016. This is a shimmery green kind of a shade, and let me show you all how it is. And this is how it looks. It's such a wonderful green it is. I always used to match this eyeliner whenever I used to wear a green color dress. This is a purple color which is Amethyst Spark 011. It is very nice. If you have any purple color dress, it would definitely be a very good matching for that. Last but not the least, one is Flirty Turk 007, a slight sea green kind of a shade. This is the shade, and pencils are very smooth, especially coming to last four. They are very nice. This is in shade Just Brown. I rarely used this pencil. See, I didn't even use much on this. The other side of it, you can use it as an eye shade and blend it, and you can even use as a eye pencil. This is brown because I'm not much into light shades, and this is the shade. I'm not that sad decluttering this. Here I have arranged all these pencils as per this shade, and if you want to give a try, you can go with the second, the third one and the fifth one. So the navy blue shade that I have mentioned, the green shade and the sea green shade. If you are looking for colored eye pencils, I would definitely recommend to go with the colorbar eye pencil. I really miss all these shades, so lovely, and they are very easy to glide on your eyes actually. Just draw a line and you'll get your eyeliner. It is as simple as that. Next one which is going out of my vanity box is this Chamber Trio Shadow Shimmer. This I have been using I think for 2 years, and I don't have an expiry date on this, but I think it is expired. Couple of eye palettes now that I can use. So this is also moving out of my vanity box. Coming to the eyeliner, this is my Nika eyeliner. Everything is gone actually on this. It is eyeliner 01 is only what I can see now. I really miss using this Nika eyeliner. It is really good, and the tip of this eyeliner brush is very thin and even get the thinnest eyeliner on your eyes. So I really feel bad because product is almost completed in this, so I have to declutter this. These are all the makeup products that I am decluttering. This decluttering episode, the most favorite items that I am missing are my eye pencils from Colorbar. I think that I have given you some inputs on the eye pencils and the shades that you have to choose from my decluttering video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, meevasu.